they clubbing, they chilling, they.
AGYA. Wait. Laura Mutewana. Good. Haruna, who's that girl?
Ah, Halima.
Halima?
Halima, so that's Halima.
Do you say her name is Halima? Has she been in this market for long?
I spotted her only yesterday. I learned she's in the AHWEYIE group.
La, this girl is very beautiful. Whoa. She's a very beautiful girl. Whoa. Laila, I will have to speak to AHWEYIE tonight. Whoa. I will definitely get money to AHWEYIE. Yo, no, Laila.
Ali, I have already spoken to AHWEYIE. It says, I have to initiate.
Ajuo, telling I have to initiate. Kewawani. It is for AHWEYIE to determine who's going to be the winner, man. Basosia.
Okay, Mungani Mute.
Oh, where is Baba?
Baba, he has gone to the mosque, man.
Baba Kumato. To me, my truck is free now. My truck is free.
To Ali, how much do you charge if someone hides this truck for a whole day?
40,000. Why do you need it?
40,000 it's too much.
40,000 nkaka 20 now release him back. Upon returning it now can be different. Gaji, nkana so some back. Wawa na chikuninka. Pasika push. Wawa nga. Kenka na mkachuko.
My dear brothers and sisters, to tell you the truth, I am HIV positive.
True, Pastor Blibo.
Pastor, you? Yes. But there is one thing I want to make clear here, and that is, not everybody who has tested positive to HIV got it through sex. I strongly believe that I did not get mine through sex.
Pastor.
Yes.
I contracted the disease by accident. Pastor, it was due to the negligence of some hospital attendants. But people don't believe this. They never believe you.
They will never believe you.
They keep on putting accusing fingers at me. also sometimes just feel like committing suicide. Come on.
My dear brothers and sisters, you don't have to kill yourself or commit suicide just because you have tested positive to HIV. Listen, HIV is like any killer disease. Yes. But the most unfortunate thing is that HIV has no cure.
Pastor, that is the problem. There is no cure. And the stigma attached to the disease is killing us. Pastor, I cannot continue to live and go through the humiliation any longer.
Pastor, my family has deserted me. What I will eat has become a problem. I believe I'm dying, not because I have the disease, but rather I don't get good food to eat. Pastor, what surprises me most is that ever since my church got to know of my problem, they've shunned my company. Nobody sits on a pew that I sit on. I believe I'll have my peace if I die.
Adam, Adam, just 30,000, man. I'll give it to you on Friday.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I want to get my own track.
Adam, can't that wait till Friday? Friday, I'll give it to you, man.
The answer is no.
Adams, yeah, put him on Adams. Adams! Abba, Adams!
Harana, listen. Look, be very, very careful the way you spend money on women. It's too much. It's too much. Look, these days, common sexual diseases like AIDS, they are around the corner. Be very, very careful.
You are a fool. Adams, you didn't know it's only rich people who contract AIDS. Give me wow. If you give me the money, just stop saying that. Stupid boy. Wow, Banza. Shady. What a tadi. To me, Banza. For a minute, please.
For what reason? I'm very busy with my work. Can't you see it? Just pound the food.
Madam, I would like to see you for some personal issues. Please.
Are you sure? Make sure you don't.
Charlie, Dente, Allah, I need something.
How much? And what do you need it for?
You see that girl in Ofoluwa's group? see, I have to initiate it tonight. I will need about 25,000. I will need extra 5,000. You see, I have to show her something. Extra 5,000 for biscuit too.
I'll give it to you. But one, car 7,000.
About 7,000 you want for it. 7,000 is too much, man. I will see you in the evening.
Car 7,000.
Abana car, because I look at the I'll add 7,000. Don't worry. So I'll see you in the evening. Okay.
Nora, you know I love you as a daughter. I've always been a good father to you.
Yes, Dad.
Now, I have these few questions I want to ask you. And I want you to tell me the truth. Nothing but the truth, okay?
Okay.
Tell me the truth. What is Jimmy to you? Is Jimmy your boyfriend? Look, Nora, you're still a young girl. You have life ahead of you. You have life ahead of you. So you need to tell me the truth. Because I've seen you on 2 occasions, and the way I saw you people, suspiciously, I think you had something going. Oh. There he comes.
Good afternoon. Honorable Johnson. Hi.
Jimmy.
Yes, sir.
You are here at just the right time.
Thank you. Come in.
In fact, I want you to know that you've caught me at the wrong side of my mood. Yes. Now, I want to ask you, Jimmy. What is going on between you and my daughter, Nora? In fact, Jimmy, you have disappointed me so much. I trusted you for all these times. I trusted you, but today you have broken that trust. You have broken that trust today. I thought I could trust you. Look at you. Look, I don't want any misunderstanding between you and me. So, you know, from today onwards, I don't want to see you anywhere near my house again. In fact, I don't want to see you and Nora together again. I don't want to see you anywhere near my family. Because I've realized that you're coming in and coming out. You've been taking advantage of that.
What are we doing?
Yes! Yes! That's the way it is. Now,
you will just do me some good to get out of my house. Out! Jimmy, out! You know, I am Honorable Johnson. Honorable Johnson. And you know what I can do as a politician. Huh? So please, get out of my house. And I don't want to see you anywhere near this area. Out! Get out! Get out! Go! Foolish. Hey, Dorothy! Dorothy!
Yes, darling.
Good afternoon. I say out of this house. What is going on here? Do you want to tell me that you are not aware of what is going on between Nora and Jimmy?
Never. I swear. Nora and Jimmy, what is going on between them?
Huh? Ask her. Look, for your information, Jimmy is barred from coming to this house. In fact, I don't want to see Jimmy anywhere near my family. Talk less of seeing him with Nora. Yes. And you, hold the tight. Sure. If I get you, that day I'll tell myself, I don't have any daughter. I don't have a child. I'll break you.
You heard him? Oh, come on, get away. Stupid kid. Guide me, oh, thou great Jehovah. Next time, they are umame peno. So baby, we are mother town. I mean, surely. Initiate time without my consent.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, you get initiation money. This time you first come first serve. Fast. It be how much?
20,000, man. How much?
20,000. Master, that girl a true virgin. If you want initiate time, I for collect 50,000. I'm not going to reduce them.
50,000.
I'm not going to reduce them.
50,000.
50,000. I'm not going to reduce them.
Why 50,000? 50,000 for one girl. Yes. How much did you collect from Alibaba for initiating Ata? Is it not 20,000?
Ata. You stand here talk about Ata. Now Ata no be virgin. It be born one I take give Alibaba. Master, money in the hand, back in the floor, or you just forget them. I go take and give somebody else.
Okay, please, Ofurua, let me pay 25.
I go collect. I no go collect.
Please, Ofurua, please. I'll bring the rest tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll bring the rest. 25. May I be permitted to see her now?
Yes, but she no be yours, so I will claim the difference first. Now talk you say, it be first come first serve. Now somebody can pay the full money and me, I go take her give her.
Hey, Charlotte. Charlotte. Come here. How much did he give you?
You see?
My dad, you've taken all the money.
Were you not sleeping and just sleeping and eating? Go. Now go. You see? Charlotte just wasted her time sleeping and eating. Just an outing. And so much money. Her market value, is gone high. Meanwhile, she was just wasting her time with that paparazzi man. Oh, this is money. This is money. This is money. Yes. Yeah, Kasika. Who's the shit?
Ali Baba.
Yeah, good evening, bro.
Good evening. I just close.
Go. Sister Jomana. Sister AGYA. Look, I am intentionally increasing the initiation fee. This is it, Tasha, man.
Yen to Boisier, Tidia Woya Biana Botre, Okosajifa would me penny chair, Adia will be done, she will be a Huabre. So Binima will be tray, Fesajina Midisa Bia one emre, the Jai said, will come out to pray, and I could see Comeko for Johana. You cannot want our pantiadi, the other so would not honor she and now she has so who you not going to bet your cratchy, but so cram my whoa, so when you
life is not as easy as it looks, though sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. The step you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time, so